Hey there, VidaPay merchants. Here are some quick tips to help you make sure that two-factor authentication is working on your machine. If you keep coming across this screen, even though you've entered the code and you've trusted this device, here's a tip to make sure that you don't have to keep entering this code every time you log in. Start by clicking on the right top corner of your Chrome window. Click on More Tools, and then go to Extensions. Verify if you have an ad blocker installed on your browser. If you do, this may be the reason you keep encountering the two-factor authentication window when you try to log in. In order to get past this, you'll need to whitelist VidaPay.com in your ad blocker. Here's how to whitelist VidaPay.com in the uBlock ad blocker. Click on the uBlock extension in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Click on Open the Dashboard. Select the Whitelist tab and enter VidaPay.com here. Be sure to click on the check mark to save your changes, and then close the tab. Once you've completed these steps, go ahead and log out of VidaPay.com and log back in, and you should be all set. If you have any questions, contact our customer service department. We're happy to help.